You how to install IntelIJ on Mac. Go to your favorite browser and type IntelIJ download. Then click on the first address. If you don't have, just copy this one to your address bar. Then you need to choose Mac here and download the Community Edition. So I have already downloaded one, so I'll just open it. Here, open. And just drag and drop this one in this folder and it will start to install. So that's all, but let's check if we really have the IntelIJ in our Mac. So navigate to applications here and find the IntelIJ IDEA CE. CE means Community Edition .app. Double click on it and open. So here we have IntelIJ.